Every single day, the world moves in a complex, synchronized dance of choices, trades, and interactions. But what exactly is the engine driving it all? Welcome to the world of economics. It is far more than just stock charts and bank balances. It's the study of how we navigate life. Consider your morning cup of coffee. From the bean harvested in a distant land to the steam rising in your kitchen, it represents global cooperation. At the heart of this discipline lies a fundamental conflict known as scarcity. Put simply, we live in a world with limited resources and infinite wants. Because we cannot have everything, we must make choices. Every choice involves a trade-off, leading us to the crucial concept of opportunity cost. If you choose to spend your savings on a new car today, the opportunity cost is the interest or the education that money could have bought. Microeconomics zooms into these individual decisions. It looks at how households and firms interact in specific markets to determine prices and quantities. The most famous tool here is the supply and demand graph. As prices rise, producers want to sell more, but consumers want to buy less. Where these two forces meet is the equilibrium. This is the Goldilocks price where the market clears and everyone's needs are efficiently balanced. But what changes our behavior? Incentives. Economists believe that people respond to rewards and penalties in predictable ways to improve their own well-being. For example, a tax on sugary drinks might lead people to choose water instead. Government policies use these incentives to steer society toward healthier outcomes. Now, let's zoom out to macroeconomics. This is the big picture view, looking at national and global economies as a single, massive system. We measure the health of this system using GDP, or gross domestic product. It is the total market value of all finished goods produced. Another key player is inflation. Imagine a balloon that represents the general level of prices in the economy slowly being filled with air. When inflation is too high, your money buys less than it did before. Central banks try to keep this balloon a steady, manageable size. Finally, we have globalization. In our modern age, no economy is an island. We trade with others to gain things we cannot produce efficiently ourselves. By specializing in what they do best, nations can increase the total wealth for everyone involved, creating a more interconnected and prosperous world. From the micro decisions of your daily life to the macro shifts of global trade, economics provides the framework for understanding how everything connects. So, the next time you make a purchase or hear about a new law, ask yourself, what are the economic forces at play here? Knowledge is your most valuable asset. Keep exploring, stay curious, and thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of economics.